Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our yacht and marine textile services and find it useful.
Imagine stepping aboard your yacht. Every fabric and textile perfectly cleaned and cared for by a service that understands the prestige of your lifestyle. Sudsies Yachting and Marine Textiles Dry Cleaning Service offers a white-glove made-to-measure approach tailored to the unique needs of your maritime environment. From delicate linens and custom upholstery to intricate sail covers and luxury bedding, our skilled artisans ensure each piece is meticulously cleaned and preserved, ready for your next voyage. With Sudsies, you're not just maintaining your vessel, you are elevating your entire yachting experience. Here's the process for marine textile cleaning with Sudsies' signature touch. 1. Request for pickup. Your vessel's laundry stewardess requests a complimentary pickup of soiled items by our dedicated concierge service, ensuring that every textile on board receives the care it deserves. A pickup can be scheduled using My Account, texting Pickup, or by calling one of our friendly guest services representatives.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.